Alright, boy Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today, what we have here, today we're going to get innovative, and we're going to watch this gentleman, Surya Raza, create a small air compressor supplying the air for a spray gun. So for you guys want to do your little projects, motorcycle parts, this might be something for you. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so I'm going to take it that you're going to need an extra bicycle tube, one that you're not using. So it looks like you cut the valves off of there. Okay, made his own little seals, little washer seals. Now, me personally, I don't know if I got the patience to sit and do all of that. Pretty interesting though. You know, people over another country, I mean, might not have a choice. So that's the blessing we have here. We have choices. Boy, serious, man. He's serious with his stuff. Man, and you guys out there, I know some of you guys are real creative. What would you do to enhance this, make it better, or change it completely? Drop in the comments, what would you guys do? I know some of y'all have like 10 bicycle tubes lined up, a 50 liter. You do all kind of stuff, man. Taking the valve stem out. Man, that's crazy. Boy, got a mean looking setup, man. You're probably gonna need one person to pump, one person to spray. So this where your old lady might come in handy. Might have to get her out there and come on, baby, come on, baby. Nice color too. Almost looks like the Grabber Blue ×2. That must be its reducer. That boy got chickens and roosters and everything. Sura Raza. That's a gentleman's channel. I'll leave a link in the video description to the guy in case you guys have some questions you want to ask him. Well, definitely looks like a minigun, a little detail gun. Man, that's crazy. Damn. And I'm willing to bet you this will last longer than that new SailorJet X. See what I was saying? You need somebody, need two people. He got his old lady. Well, I mean, not old lady, but you know, somebody. Man, that's crazy. Look, he even invented the thing that's holding it, it's spinning it, a bicycle rim. Man. And you hear the pump. You can hear the guy back there. You hear the pump, the air going in. He's pumping it still. Now tell me that don't look like Grabber Blue from Ford. Yeah, it looks good, man. It looks really good considering what he had there to work with. So let me know what you guys would do to enhance that some. Because I know you're out there. I know we got some out there. Yeah, pretty cool, man. You guys let me know what you would do to enhance it. Would you leave it as B? Would you get a bigger tire? Maybe 4 bicycle tires. Make a 4-liter. Or whatever. But yeah, man, just chiming in from home. Just playing around with this thing. Still feeling it out. Seeing what you guys like, what you don't like. Thank you for tuning in. Catch you in the next one. Peace.